Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And y'all, this is day 2 of trying to post every day until my birthday. And well, we got 11 days, so I got it. Today we're just gonna do a voiceover because somebody was in the background talking while I was trying to do my video. So yeah, today we're doing the rubber band method. I'ma just go and get into this video. I know my voice sounds awful, so I'ma just talk you through this first video, this first braid, and then we just gonna be quiet for the rest. Okay, so first what you do is you part out your section. I didn't have any gel today, so I did not use gel. Anyways, I part out my section and I added the rubber band, and I just start braiding like I usually braid. What I do, I separate the hair into 2 sections, and then I loop one around. I think I didn't show, but I did show that I'm gonna do the 3 pieces, and I just started braiding like regular. This is the first way I learned to do box braids. I was like, let me put this rubber band on my hair, and I think it came out pretty good. Like right here, you don't see any rubber bands, but on my first try, like, you saw the rubber bands, but I didn't care because I did my own braids and they were cute. So I'm gonna just be quiet and let you guys watch. Okay, yeah, when I first started like learning to braid, I used the rubber band method because I could not grip the hair for anything. So just make sure when you putting the rubber band on, you put it on tight, but not too tight because you putting the hair around it gonna make it like even tighter. So put it enough where like the hair can hold it, where it can hold it. I didn't braid all the way down because y'all, this is long hair. This is the 36-inch hair. Okay, so like thank you for watching, y'all. I told you I'm trying to be a content creator this year. My birthday is February 10th, and I am trying to do a video every day for the next, what, 10, 11 days. I feel like I can do it. I feel like I can help. So if this video helped you, please go watch my other videos. Go look at them. I'm trying to get my watch time hours up. I told myself that I was trying to get to like 700 subscribers by my birthday. We're at like 546, so we're a little under 150. So if you're watching this, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell so you know when I post a video. I'm going to post one every day, like I said. And yeah, please go watch my other videos. That's all from me today. Love you guys. Bye.